Okay, boss.
The board is worried about our drop in competitive win rate. Fix it.
Hey, so.
Hey, do we know if sellers are using this new value selling play?
I think so. I have no way to tell if they...
Remind them again, or run a new training.
Hey, Jill.
Hi.
I need to do more value selling training, and you gave me the old deck.
Check the shared drive.
The shared what?
The value messaging one.
It only has an old value message.
Sales folder, then value. Version
The
3.
shared drive?
Deck.
Oh, I found it. No, I didn't.
That's not it. Here, try one of these drives.
The board is worried about sales productivity. What's our play?
Don't worry, we are on it. I expect win rates to go up next quarter.
Yep, you look at Highspot, 100% of sellers are certified on the new value selling play. And look, the new content is already influencing revenue.
Now that is what good looks like.